What's up guys, BenjiD here from GetFix. Now, if you care about your seller performance on eBay, today I'll be showing you how to reach the seller dashboard. Let's get it. So the first thing you want to do actually is hover over my eBay and click on summary. Alright, now scroll down to where it says all lists right down here. Click on it. Perfect. Now you're going to see where it says all selling. You do want to click that. Now you're going to reach where it says seller dashboard right up here. Click it. Perfect. And this is the breakdown. So for example, late shipment, this person is actually doing kind of bad on that. So late shipment rate, that is 24.84%. 40 late shipments out of 161. So this gives you the general breakdown. And if you want to go even further into it, you could actually click the drop down menu and then get full report right down here. And it's going to break down every item that you have the late shipment for. That's pretty much trying to set up for this video, guys. If you want to figure out why your seller performance is not up to par, you could do it using that. And I'm out. Peace.